Hey everybody, we're gonna have some fun today. I got a full box of the Fat Pack multi-pack Prizm baseball. So it's 12 of those fat packs. Back there's my leather and lumber boxes that I had so much fun opening that I haven't been able to bring myself to throw them in the trash yet. Let me show you what these look like. I've already opened a couple of these for you guys. If I can get into it. I'm going to try my other little knife so you can see what these look like. I hardly ever make an offer on eBay for anything. I usually just pay up for it, but this seller specifically said make an offer, so I did, and he accepted it, and I got this at a pretty good price, which is good. Alright, so you have seen these before. I've opened a couple. These have the red, white, and blue. Sorry, had a phone call. Forgot to turn the phone off for a minute. Anyways, red, white, and blue Prizm bonus pack. There are 12 of these in the box. So we'll get the red, white, and blues for sure. We should have some inserts. Should have some different parallels even on top of these, and the seller said that these boxes really vary with autographs. Some are scoring no autographs whatsoever, where others are producing as many as 2 to 3. So we'll just have to see on that. There's absolutely no guarantee. But these are work to get into, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open all these packs and then be right back and just open all the packs for you, so this video won't be 30-40 minutes long. So I'll be right back. Okay, there you have it, all open. Not only is that time consuming, it's really loud, so, and this is already going to take a while because that's a lot of packs. So I'm going to shut my yapper and start ripping. Actually, let me pull this back a little bit. There we go. All right, let's get into these. All right, Nicholas Simmons, Lumber Inc., JD Martinez. I have pulled so many of these of him. A rookie blue, Jake Bowers. You guys know I love the blue. All right, Pollock, Scooter, Altuve, Choi. Mullins, rookie, Urias, rookie, McCutcheon, and a blue Lindor. So 2 blues in those, and then our bonus pack has a Wisdom rookie, Malik Smith, and a Jake Bowers rookie. The red, white, and blues look really good. I really cannot stop singing the praises of these cards. I really like them. Alright, next stack. Peralta, Springer, Brilliance insert, DeGrom. Oh, gold circles, Rizzo. Numbered out of 150. Wisdom base rookie, Benintendi, Pilar, and a red Strasburg. I think it's raining here. It hasn't rained here in at least 1,000,000 years. That might be a little exaggeration, but wow, that's crazy. It hasn't rained in forever. Smith, Duggar, Sadzik rookie, and Hunter Pence. Schwarber, Josh Donaldson, and Peraza, red, white, and blue pack. What makes these such a good value is that you do get plenty of stuff in the, in the regular packs on top of, they could have just said, here, take these cards and we'll give you the red, white, and blues. But I mean, you get a lot of stuff. Severino, there's a Judge Fireworks, and a Brandon Lowe red rookie. Oh, look at that. Oh, baby. Let's look at this. Maria Ortiz rookie, David Wright, oh my goodness, look at that. Stargazing Gold Altuve out of 10. That is sweet. Look at, wow, that's cool. I know short print cards, super short prints aren't worth what they used to be, but that's still pretty sweet. And it looks really good. It's really clean. Yeah, wow, that is cool. Nice. All right. Yeah, wow, that's really sweet. All right, Kershaw, Lowe, Suarez, rookie, a blue Joey Gallo. Severino, Barria, and Carpenter. Starting the next pack. Anea Belt, Bryce Harper Illumination, and a blue Trevor Williams. Jeffress De Leon, Jake Bowers out of 50. A red, white, and blue autograph out of 50. So that is sweet. Wow, so far so good. Wow. Last card was Talion. Oh, wow, that's good. Cool. So there's one autograph. I mean, I really wasn't counting on any, so that's cool. DeGrom, Wendell, Soto numbers game, and Gonzalez rookie. Trinan, Marza, Meadows, and a red Suarez. And just like that, the rain's over. It was really that fast. Now the sun's back out. That's crazy. Lester, Bryce Wilson rookie, Larry Walker, and Jonathan Davis rookie. Bryce Wilson, Taylor Ward rookie, and Talion. I do have more blaster boxes of this on the way too, since I do love it so much. I'm not sure if it's still going on, but you can check on Target. They're offering, if you buy cards, and I guess maybe they have it grouped in with toys, if you spend $50, they give you a $10 Target gift card, and if you spend $100, they give you a $25 gift card. So since I was digging this stuff so much anyways, I went ahead and bought more of the blasters. Archer, Baez, Fireworks, Markakis. Also used their red card, so then I got whatever 5% off on top of that, and free shipping, so it was a pretty sweet deal overall. Jansen rookie, Wade Davis, Martinez, and a red Walker Buehler. And since some of you asked me to do more retail, I thought that would be a good way to do it and save a lot of money. Lindor, Irina, Kufo, and Perez. Yachty, Nimmo, and Hunter Pence. Oh, I must have got wonky here and moved to another stack. That's alright. K rookie, Abreu, Ozzie Smith, Jackie Bradley Jr. Kershaw, Moncada, and Conforto. 3 players I really like. Back to back. Hunter Renfroe, Correa, Scorching, Walker Buehler, and Ozzie Albies. I've had some people messaging me asking for specific players of these parallels. That's another reason I decided to go ahead and open some more, just to see if I could get lucky and pull those for them. Reyes Rowdy, a green. Jeffress green. I don't think I've pulled a green. David Wright green. It's not numbered, but it still could be a super short print because this is the first I'm seeing of green. Hang on, let me grab a pack and see if it says. Oh, crap, I can't read this. I don't know. Honestly, since that's the first one I've seen, I think the green's probably going to be a tougher pull. Like when you open retail Prizm football, it's what, red or blue? Maybe that's what green is here. Not entirely sure. If you know, feel free to let me know in the comments. Adam Jones, Scherzer, Castro, and a Mikolas gold circles to 150. Jeffress again, De Leon, and Candelario. Justice Sheffield, Reese McGuire, a Stargazing Chris Bryant, and a blue Herrera. Gallo, Williams, Newman rookie, and Bolt. I still don't know how to pronounce that. Sorry. Apologies. Herrera, De Los Santos, Mitchell, and Yelich. Nick Williams, Kyle Wright, and Christian Yelich. Alright, just a little bit to go. See if we maybe score another auto. Actually, let me clear these packs off. Again, though, I wasn't expecting any after reading that some of the boxes have none. So I'm happy with one. Nick Williams, Kyle Wright, Aaron Judge, Lumber Ink. First one I've pulled of that of him. And Juan Soto. Kopech, Olsen, Molina, a red Mojo Flaherty. Yarbrough, Nemo, Dietz rookie, and Candelario blue. Dakota Hudson rookie, Justin Smoke, and Jackie Bradley Jr. Cano, Bieber, Scorching, Billy Hamilton, and Conforto. Chris Sale, Chris Bryant, Cabrera, Reed Foley, red rookie. Rodriguez, Minor, Kikuchi, looks like, oh Jesus, let me just stop before I butcher both those names. I did do some checking to see what's coming next as far as new releases go that are going to be of interest to you guys probably, and it's Finest that's coming up. Peralta, George Springer, Castro rookie. So that's pretty exciting. Lots of people anticipate that release. And I've got 2 boxes on the way. Taylor Ward, Dakota Hudson, Instant Impact, Jack Flaherty, and first regular silver, Malik Smith. Those are actually tough to come by, the regular silvers. Not like super short print, but as you've seen, I pulled everything but one of those. Justin Turner, Marte, Chapman Scorching silver, and Bumgarner. I love getting the insert parallels. The silver versions of those look really sweet. Snow, Smoke, Cal Ripken, and Joey Gallo, Red Mojo. Marza, Meadows, and Pannone rookie. One of the requests I got on eBay was for a parallel of Dave Carter. I haven't seen even any base Dave Carter cards. I'm not sure he's actually in here. I haven't seen any Mike Piazza yet either, so I'm not sure he is either. Strasburg, Suarez, Machines, Mike Trout, and a Jeff McNeil rookie. This is our last round here, by the way. Moncada, Schwarber, Reed Foley rookie, and a Patrick Wisdom silver rookie. Donaldson, Castellanos, Pujols, and Corbin Burns rookie. If they are in here, maybe they're short prints, because I've already opened a lot of this stuff and I haven't seen either one of those players. Of course, I still have a lot of blasters. Alright, last cards. Cave rookie, Mancini, and Longoria. That is not bad. Ended up with the green, the gold Altuve, which is super sweet. This rookie, Jake Bowers. And like I said, the green. Lots of other parallels, lots of inserts, lots of numbered stuff. All the reasons that I like Prizm Baseball are all here. The blaster boxes have exclusive purple parallels, but again, you know, you can pull stuff in the packs. Maybe we'll score an auto or even two there. I've got, I think I ordered 6 boxes, 6 blasters. So if those come later today, I will break into those and get those up for you ASAP. That's it. Thanks so much for watching. Everybody take care. I'll be back with you soon.